Salseng Marak, a senior leader of the Indian National Congress and the 6th Chief Minister of Meghalaya, passed away on the 16th of August 2024 at the age of 82. Salseng Marak, who led the state from 1993 to 1998, died at the Tura Civil Hospital in West Garo Hills after a prolonged battle with age-related illnesses. He had initially been admitted to the Holy Cross Hospital but was later transferred to TCH as his condition worsened. Marak also served as the president of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC) during his political career.
We heard the news today of the demise of former Chief Minister, late Salseng Marak, and this news has come as a shock, and also we are deeply saddened by this particular news, and it is definitely a great loss to the family members of late Salseng Marak, to his people, and it is also a great loss to the state as a whole. Mr. Salseng Marak has served for a full 5-year term as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but beyond that also in many positions and different capacity he has served the people of his constituency and the people of the state, and it's been, as I said, a great loss to the state, as he has contributed in many ways to the people and to the state as a whole. At this point in time, I would like to express my deepest condolences to the bereaved family members, and pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members and to His people to bear this great loss that they've had, and I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in eternal peace.